Yo, what's up guys, this is KSM Gaming here and welcome back to a new video. Today we're playing Safe Cracking Simulator or something. So, it's kind of like a copy of Unboxing Simulator, which I haven't played on my channel. But, we're gonna make this game a series. So, like the video if you want to make it a series. Okay. Oh, I forgot to equip my pets. Nature calm. That looks like he's like that looks weird. So technically in this game you have to like open safes and you get XP and coins by opening them. And if you're lucky, you get like a hat that you have to sell instead of wearing them. So, this game's probably, yeah, see, hat found, sell for $306. So I just got $306 from selling a hat. And there's like little, medium, and big boxes, and they give you different kind of hats, money, and yeah, they give you more XP or something. Oopsies. That is weird. Can I buy a new pet? Oh, I can buy a new knife. Now I can buy this. Yay! Okay. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.